In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily update your account settings on your mobile app. This simple process is quick and straightforward, ensuring you can manage your information effectively and securely. Let's dive right in. First, we begin by launching your app and proceeding to the Account section. You'll typically find this option prominently displayed on the screen, often represented by a silhouette icon that resembles a person or a circular graphic at the bottom of your screen. Tapping on Account is your gateway to accessing all your personal settings and customization options. It's designed to let you manage everything related to your individual profile with ease. Once you have navigated into the Account area, the next step is to select View Account. This particular option is crucial because it's where all of your current account details are neatly displayed. Here you can see the information you've previously entered, giving you an overview of your profile as it stands today. This transparency ensures you are aware of what is stored there and can verify everything is up to date. Now that you have an understanding of the information displayed, you're ready for the third and final step, selecting Edit Account. By tapping on Edit Account, you unlock the ability to modify and update your details. Whether it's changing your email address, updating your phone number, or altering your personal information like your name or address, this is the section where those changes happen. It's worth mentioning that you should double-check the accuracy of the information you enter, as this helps in cases where these details will be used for contacts or verification purposes later on. Updating your account is not only about keeping information correct for personal records, it can also impact how you interact with the app, with notifications and settings that can enhance your user experience once they've been fine-tuned. If you encounter any issues while updating, remember there are often help or support options available within the app itself to provide guidance or troubleshooting assistance. Finally, after you've completed your edits and ensured everything is accurate, make sure to save your changes. Often, there will be a Save or Update button at the bottom of the screen that you need to tap to finalize everything. This crucial step secures your modifications, ensuring the changes are properly registered. And there you have it. By following this straightforward process, you've successfully navigated through updating your account settings in the app. I hope you found this walkthrough clear and useful. Don't hesitate to revisit these steps whenever you need to make further adjustments in your account. Thank you for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials.